Welcome students in the class of science lesson 4 chemicals and chemical changes. Okay, and in this class we will study about chemical formula valency and writing a chemical formula. Okay, the symbolic representation of the composition of a chemical compound is known as its chemical formula. The symbolic representation of the composition of a chemical compounds is known as its chemical formula. A chemical formula shows the different elements present in a molecule of a compound and the number of atoms for each combining or constituent elements in the compound. Okay, for examples, the chemical formula of sodium chloride. The chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Okay, the formula conveys that a molecule of salt contains one atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine. Next, here some chemical formula of compound. For example, water H2O, ammonia gas NH3, sodium chloride NaCl, potassium chloride KCl, carbon dioxide CO2, magnesium chloride MgCl2, hydrogen sulfide H2S, methane CH4, hydrochloric acid HCl. These are the some examples of formula of some compounds. Okay, next our topic is valency. What is valency? We know that compounds have elements in definite proportion. This definite proportion refers to the maximum quantity of one element that can combine with the maximum quantity of another element. The combining capacity here, the combining capacity of the atom of an element with the atoms of other elements is known as its valency. The combining capacity of the atom of an element with the atoms of other elements is known as its valency. For example, valency of Mg is 2, means combining capacity of magnesium is 2. Combining capacity of choline is 1. Combining capacity of sodium is 1. Then valency of sodium is 1, magnesium is 2, choline is 1. Okay, for example, MgCl2 is the chemical formula of magnesium chloride. MgCl2 is the chemical formula of magnesium chloride. From the formula we can know that one atom of magnesium combines with two atoms of chlorine, so the valency of magnesium is 2 and chlorine is 1. Okay, considered another example. Another example is hydrogen chloride HCl. One atom of hydrogen combines with one atom of chlorine, so the valency of hydrogen is 1 and also chlorine is 1. In order to write the chemical formula of compound, important to know the valency of the elements. Okay students, here some example of valency of elements. For example, sodium, the valency of sodium is 1, the valency of sodium is 1, the valency of potassium is 1, the valency of silver is 1, the valency of zinc is 2, magnesium is 2, calcium is 2, aluminum is 3, hydrogen is 1, chlorine is 1, carbon is 4, oxygen is 2 and iodine is 1. Okay, then let's start writing a chemical formula. Okay, by following the steps given below, we can write the chemical formula of a compound. First is write the symbols of the elements that form the compound. Okay, first is write the symbols of the elements that form the compound. Second, write their valencies on top of their symbols. Okay, next, if the valencies are identical, cancel the valencies. If the valencies are different, then interchange the valencies with respect to the symbols by making arrows and write them. Next, fourth, simplify the formula by dividing the valency by a common number if divisible. Okay, and last, the valency of one need not be written in the final formula. Okay, students, then let's start writing a chemical formula. Okay, for example, we want to write a chemical formula of magnesium chloride or magnesium oxide. Okay, we want to write a chemical formula of magnesium chloride. Okay, then valency of magnesium is 2 and valency of chlorine is 1. Next step, we interchange the valency of these elements, Mg1Cl2. Okay, then our formula is formed MgCl2. Okay, next, another example, we want to write a chemical formula of sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride. Then sodium chloride, symbol of sodium is Na and symbol of chlorine is Cl. Okay, valency of sodium is 1 and valency of chlorine is 1. Okay, then interchange the valency of these elements, and it is clear that the valency of 1 need not be written in the final formula. Okay, when the valency of any element is 1 need not be written in the final formula. Then Na valency is 1, then Na, only Na, not 1, and the valency of Cl is 1 but interchange with sodium, then Cl1 means NaCl. NaCl is the chemical formula of sodium chloride. Okay, these are the some examples to write a chemical formula. Okay, in next class we will study about chemical equations, writing a chemical equations, and also balancing a chemical equations. Okay, students, then thank you.